Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find tags of any YouTube videos on Android. So the app I'm gonna use is YouTags Pro. You can download it from the link in the description down below. So before I begin, this is Iperial Android, and if you wanna learn some Android tips and tricks, then hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for future video updates. Well, that being said, let's get started. So first off, you need to head over to the YouTube app, as I always say. So now you need to find a video that you wanna get the tags of. So once you find your video, as you can see, I find my video that I wanna find the tags of. So you need to hit the three dots of the video, and you can see the share icon. You wanna click it, and as usual, you need to hit the YouTags Pro icon. It will scan the text and will give you the tags. Here you can see. You can also copy all the tags by clicking that button right over there and use it in your video. That's simple. So there you have it, guys. So if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, share this video, and check out my other videos and hit the subscribe button in there. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.